Hi, welcome to Dave's Corner of the World. Have a great day. Okay, today I'm going to be working on solar racks. You can see there's one rack, there's another one, and there's one back there. That one's made out of wood. I'm going to replace that one. This one's made out of unistrut, and the last one up there, or the first one, it's made out of 1 inch by 1 inch by 1/16 square tubing. I'm going to make 2 more. I got to replace the back one, and I've got 3 more panels I'm going to put in front of that one. I'm going to make the new ones out of 3/4 by 3/4 by 1/16 square tubing. That'll be plenty. There's nothing wrong with that. I've already got these cut to length. I've got 4 of them, 2 for each rack. And I'm going to be cutting the ends down here. Those are going to be the legs, those are going to be the uprights. And then I'll have little feet on the bottom of those. So I'm going to be cutting those out today. And we'll see what we can come up with. I know I need 12.5 inches from here down to my foot. So the way I'm going to cut this out, I need 12.5 minus an 1/8. So all you math geniuses out there, what's that? 12.5 minus 1/8. That must be 12 3/16. 12 3/8. What a dummy. All right. I'm going to turn this around. It's all buggered up on the end there. So 12 3/8. I'm going to measure. Uh-oh. I need more tools. I think I've got a pencil. Yep. 12 3/8. Something to always watch when you're building anything with a tape measure. Everybody drops these tape measures. And from time to time, they get bent right here. Always try to make sure that's square, because if it gets bent down like that, your numbers are not going to be right. It's going to make the measurement wrong. So it looks like that one's bent just a little bit. I'm going to try to straighten it just a little. Don't take much. That's a lot better. Okay. All right, there's my 8 pieces. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 feet, 4 inches long. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I've got to grind these down and make it all look pretty. I'm going to weld it together like that, so it's basically 100% weld all the way around. I mean, there's no hole in it at all. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and chop these out like this and clean them all up and then start welding them all together. This is going to be a foot. Hey, that's hot. This is going to be a foot right here. I'm going to have 2 holes, 1 hole drilled here, 1 there, and bolted into a piece of decking material, composite plastic, you get at Home Depot. Composite, I think they're supposed to be like a 2x6. So this will bolt to that 2x6. And then up here, I'll have the top rack, that rack over yonder, go across and then down to another leg and foot just like this. See you next time.